Let's start Java. It is one of the most powerful language in the world. If you want to build your career as a programmer, as a computer scientist, you must know the Java. Okay. Java is a general purpose object oriented programming language. So Java is a general purpose object oriented programming language and developed by Sun Microsystem of USA. Sun Microsystem of USA, United States of America, in 1991. Okay, you must remember the year 1991, and it is invented by James Gosling. James Gosling. James Gosling invented or planning this type of language in a coffee house. Okay, they planning it when they seated in a coffee house and drink the coffee. They invented it and they use this symbol. Okay. In 1995, WAC, that time the name of this, in 1991, here the name of this Java is WAC. And in 1995, WAC become Java. We use here JDK 14.0.1 version. Okay. Java is a compiler based and interpreter based language. C++ compiler based language, but C++ both are compiler based language. But Java is both, that means compiler and interpreter based language. Okay, here we use a terms class like a tree, and if you get from this tree mango, this is mango tree. If we take from this tree is apple, then is apple tree. So class is tree and mango, apple, those are objects. Okay. The name of the compiler of Java, compiler is JAVAC, javac.exe, and the interpreter name java.exe. Both are in bin folder. Let's start a program. Suppose I write a source code here. This is source code. The file name is suppose mg1.java. The extension of Java program is JAVA Java. This is source code. Next, we compile it. Compile by javac. We use JAVAC javac space mg1.java. So we here compile. After compile, it's become bytecode. It's become bytecode. Some people also known is a virtual machine code. We use here code, it is bytecode or sometime virtual machine code. Okay. Now you use interpreter here. Use interpreter. Why use interpreter? Because I want to execute this file. I want to execute. So we write here, after Java compile it, mg1 Java create a new file which is called mg1.class. This is bytecode. Now interpret it Java mg1, just mg1, nothing to write here, and it's become execute. Okay, at first we following this step in my program. Sometimes some editors are available like Jet Creator, NetBeans, Eclipse, etc. etc. By I use, and I recommend it to every student who at the beginning you must write the program in Notepad. After write, you compile it and execute it. Okay. So at first we follow these rules. After that, when we become an expert Java programmer, then we use NetBeans or other some editors. Okay, let's start in computer how to create my first Java program. Thank you. I miss one things, that the Oracle Corporation take over Sun Microsystem in the year 2010. That means 27th January 2010. From this date, 27th January 2010, Sun Microsystem Java, it's become now Oracle Java. Okay, let's start in computer and see how to write the Java program.
Let's start Java. At first know how to install Java in your PC. First of all, you take this file from internet. Download this file. It is easily available in internet. Just download it. Okay, and install. After install, you first see where the file is actually installed. Okay, let's go. At first, open the Windows Explorer. C drive, programs file, and here is Java. Okay, I magnify. Here is Java. Okay, now double click here. Now open the folder, open this folder JDK 14.0.1. Here the bin folder, and in this bin folder we found the file. Here the Java C is the compiler, and here the Java file, which is interpreter file. Okay, now this location or where the actually Java or Java C present, it is necessary to inform your computer. So let's set the path. Okay, how to set the path? Just right click on this file and go to the properties, and this copy it, just copy this location. Okay, now right click on my computer. Now right click on my computer and properties. Here the Windows open, system, advanced system settings, go to the environment variable, click on, and set up the path. I already set up my path. Let's see how I set up my path. Just select the path and click the edit button here. Here look, C program files Java JDK 14.0 and \bin. Is now paste here actually the path right here, C program files Java JDK 14.0.1 and bin. Okay, this is necessary to run Java program. After paste here, just click the OK button. Okay, now restart the machine. Okay, after restart, you first open the notepad. Windows R, notepad. I use the notepad as a edit window here. Okay, now write a program here. Class, suppose class name is project 1. We write here the semicolon, that means it is the end of this class. Now write here public static void main. This main function is called by the operating system of this computer. String here gs, argument string, and this is highly case sensitive language, so you must careful about when you type the program. Now I want to print here system dot out dot print, like here, I love computer. I love computer. Okay, now let's see what is the output of this program. At first, save this file in a proper position. So at first I open the DOS. Just write here cmd DOS, open and create a folder suppose in E drive, create a folder md make directory. Suppose the name of this folder or directory mg java. Okay, now change directory cd mg java. Okay, now save this file into this location, that means E drive in mg java. I also see you in Windows view, that means GUI views, graphical user interface views. Now save this file, save, and when you save the file you must remember that the same name as class name. Okay, and extension of this file is java. So write the name prj1.java and save this file E drive, and here mg java, and this is my project prj1.java. Okay, now I compile it. So for compile I use here, at first I see this file is present or not, so just use the DOS command dir and see here size. So project1 java is present in mg java folder or mg directory in. Let's start compile. CLS in the skin and compile. Write javac javac and file name, this is prj1.java. So after compile, now dir, see here two files are now prepared. One is prj1.class, this is the bytecode. Okay, and project1 java, this is source code. Now after compile, it's produce a bytecode which is the same name project1.class. Now I run this program using interpreter. The interpreter name is java and the file name is prj1. Just prj1. Now I love computer is type here. Okay, this is the output, and also write here very much. Okay, we can use here \n. So control S, save, and compile it again. Java project1.java and run using interpreter. This is java prj1. Now I love computer and very much next line. Okay, we can write this program in another way. Suppose we delete it and write again system.out.print. Very much. Okay, now control S, save, and compile again. That means javac, and run it. Okay, it is in the same line. I love computer very much, but if I use there print ln, it means I love computer. Next line, print it. So here the print ln means \n at the last position of this string. That means present here \n. So print ln use here like \n in C. Okay, and very much, and also edited it dot 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 dot. Save, compile, CLS in there, and run it. So I love computer very much. Okay, this is my first program. Now next, write a program, another program. Okay, suppose I declare here integer a and b. Now a is equal to suppose 15, b is to 45. Okay, now print it. System dot out dot print a, and the display the value of a with plus sign a, and next line, that means plus b, display the value of b. Okay, what is the output of this program? Now compile it again and run the program. I love computer, and a is 15 and b is 45. Okay, so it's necessary to be in next line, so write here \n. Save, compile again. A is 15, look, a is 15 and b is 45. Okay, swap these values. A is equal to 45 and b is 15. Let's start. A is equal to a plus b, b is equal to a minus b, and a is equal to a minus b. Okay, now look at the logic. A is equal to a plus b. That means now the a value is 15 plus 45 is equal to 60, and now the b is equal to a, means a now 60 minus b is 45. That means now b is equal to 15 and a is equal to a minus b. That means a means the value of a now 60 minus b become 15. So the a is equal to 60 minus 15 is equal to 45. And here integer occupied 4 bytes. Let's see what happened here. Save, compile it, and run this program. Now what happened? Now a become 45 and b become 15. Okay, so swapping is done here. Thank you. At first, open the notepad. Windows R, run, and write here notepad, NOTEPAD.